There's the one thing you can do today to start making more money with your AdWords account. But before we get into it, make sure that you download my podcast, Brand Outlaw, where we do interviews with business leaders all across the country. Or if you're wanting more marketing tips and ideas, go to Super Kick Branding on LinkedIn. All right, let's get into it. Now, the one area in AdWords that often gets overlooked, but can bring more money to your account, is putting different values for your conversions. Now, what is a conversion? It's a valuable action that somebody takes on your website. So this could be someone that clicks on your phone number, or maybe they filled out a form to set up an appointment for a consultation. It can even be different types of lead generations that you do, like quizzes and tests and things like that. Oftentimes what happens is when advertisers or business owners go to create their campaign and they set up their conversions, they set them all up at a dollar value. Now, this isn't always the case with e-commerce businesses because they could get a developer that automatically imports the values of their products into AdWords. But oftentimes when an advertiser or a business owner goes to create these accounts, they set it at $1. And the problem with that is that you're telling Google that all of these conversions, all these actions that happen on my website, they're all equal in value. And that's not necessarily true, right? Like someone that fills out a form is not as valuable as somebody that clicks on your phone number. And just in case you're like, hey, I don't really quite know what the value of each one of these are, because there's different things that happen. Like the person calls and maybe they go through with it, or maybe we upsell them, downsell them. That's okay. You don't need to know the actual value. Instead, use a point system. And so this is how it works. So if somebody comes onto your website, let's just say that you have a quiz that you use as a lead generation. So what you'll want to do is if somebody starts the quiz, but they don't finish, put that as 1 point. Then you can start remarketing that person to come back and finish the quiz. Or say they finished the quiz, then you put that as 2 points. Or if they finished the quiz and they ask for more information about your business, put that as 5 points. Then you can start creating a hierarchy of like what's most valuable for your business. And then what you'll start seeing is that there's certain campaigns that are performing better than others. So once you're seeing that this keyword is driving more value than the other keywords are, then you can start putting more of your budget towards that particular campaign. And then you're gonna start seeing more revenue in your AdWords account. Not quite sure how to find the conversion values or how to set up your point system? No problem. Just leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help.